If you get this error code from GeForce Now and you try to launch a game, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. So I should follow these instructions very carefully. Now the error code, this one, which as you can see it here on the screenshot, which appears when you try to launch a game on GeForce Now, it indicates a connection issue with their servers. It typically occurs when the servers are down for maintenance. Now wait for a few hours up to 24 hours and the issue should resolve by itself. Maintenance on GeForce Now involves deployment and testing to ensure reliability, but they usually do their best to keep downtime as short as possible. Now, while you wait, you can try the fixes here. Just restart your device and the router and ensure your network is stable, then relaunch the game again. Sites like speedtest.net can help you check if your network is stable by coming here, speedtest.net, and then select here, go to check if your network is in stable condition. Now, if your network is stable but you're still facing again the same issue, if it all fails and you've waited longer and the error persists, contact their support team. The link will be available on the description of this video. Also, this page here, which is consumer support, scroll down on this page here. As you can see, you can just ask us a question, open a new ticket by logging here, or live chat online with our support agent by selecting here chat now. But in most cases, this error code, which appears when you try to launch a game on GeForce Now, indicates a connection issue with their servers, and it typically occurs when their servers are down for maintenance. It's best to wait up to 24 hours and the issue should resolve itself. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.